all of this was organized by the founder of Seattle AI, Data, and Security. Data, AI, and Security, Padma Ayala, and also supported by our title sponsor, iLink Digital, and gold sponsor, Lunel.
Hello, Seattle Data and Security. Very good morning to all of you. Today marks a milestone in our collective journey, inspired, driven by your curiosity, your bold innovation, and real connection. What makes it even more meaningful is that we all did it together at zero cost. The deep-rooted belief that learning is everyone's birthright. And 2 years ago, maybe 5 or 10 people in this, in the same reactor. Today, 650 people registered. Woo! That speak volumes. I want to thank Microsoft Fabric team, especially Arun, for believing in us, for your openness to support a grassroots community like ours. I'll only keep it under 2 minutes, but I want to leave 2 powerful thoughts with you. 1. A strong community doesn't come from common interests alone. It comes from a shared purpose, lifting each other up.
All of these capabilities together. So in many ways, these are just capabilities in a single unified platform. So in Fabric, what you'll see is that we have a set of core workloads, which are the boxes that you see on top. Each of them are purpose-built for a particular persona, like a data scientist, a data engineer, a data warehousing professional, etc., and a specific task. But they all really